So we've been learning about geometry this week, right?
Yeah.
So we remember what that means?
It means a shape or a 3D shape or
3D shape, 2D shapes, yeah. So today we're going to learn about composing 2D shapes.
Are we going to, how long are we going to learn about shapes?
How long? As long as it takes.
Shapes. No, but how many days are we?
Okay, well today we're just going to focus on learning about composing 2D shapes, okay? Here's some of the supplies we may use in math. Okay, and then our vocabulary. Let's review that. So a 2D shape. Does anybody remember what a 2D shape is?
It's a flat.
It's
It's a flat shape that, like, on the bottom it can be flat, or the top it can be flat, or that, or the sides can be flat, or the front can
Well, I
be
think
flat.
you're kind of describing a 3D shape a little bit. Our flat ones are like this one.
Thin.
Yeah, they're just flat. But then it can also be called a plane shape, remember? And then now we're going to talk a little bit about attributes. Does anyone remember what attributes are?
They're shapes that have sides.
It can have sides. A side can be an attribute.
Corners.
Yeah. Corners. But our attributes, remember we talked about how it can be big or small, different colors.
And also it can be medium, big, or it can have 3 sides or 4 sides or any kind of. It can be
Or
wide.
it can be, remember the word curve or
Curvy.
straight.
Or it can be pointy. It can be pointy. It can be any kind. It can be anything.
Speaking of pointy, do you remember what a vertex is?
A thing that has sides.
Avery.
It's corners. No, something that has no sides.
It's where the lines meet.
meet.
The point where two lines meet. So kind of like the corner.
That's a.
So like this part would be a vertex. This would be a vertex.
The other two will.
Yeah, the other two will too. Kind of like a corner, yeah. And then what's a side?
It's the flat side of a shape.
It'd be the straight lines that connect the vertices. So it's the line that connects the point, right? Yes, Miss Tina.
It has 4 sides.
A shape can have 4 sides, yes, ma'am. And then what's an angle? Olivia?
An angle is like.
You want a little help? That's okay. Yes, sir.
Angle is when 2 sides meet.
Not two sides, the inside where the shapes meet. Yes, the space created inside when 2 sides meet. So that was good.
Is a 2D shape like flat?
2D shapes are flat. Yes, ma'am.
They're a little bit flat.
And then now our new word for today is compose.
I don't know what a compose.
That's when you put 2 shapes together to make a new shape.
So that's the shape of a house. That kind of looks like a house.
It does kind of look like a house. So we took a square and we took a triangle and put them together. And now they kind of look like a house.
It is a house. Imagine if you turn your head upside down and
Okay, so what's a 3D shape?
It's a side that has it can be flat or thick.
Yeah. So it's more like
Or a cube.
a cube is a 3D shape. Yes, sir. Okay, and then what's a face?
A face is like the part of the bottom.
The part where it stands on the
flower.
Yeah, the bottom or the sides, right? This can be a face.
I'm so fast I can make some.
Okay, and then what's an edge?
An edge is like the side of a little shape.
The lines that connect the vertices. Remember what a vertices is? So the edges are the lines that connect the vertices.
I can't think of the shape.
Right here, see?
I'm trying to think of the shape, Davey.
Y'all
I
see?
can make a shape of a
Okay, and then a vertex or vertices is still the same on a 3D shape. The point where the lines meet.
Where corners meet?
And then remember what a base is?
Yeah. On the bottom?
On the bottom.
on
this
the
one.
side.
Or on the
The surface
No.
a solid figure rests on. So in this case, it would be here.
It can be inside the shape too,
Let's
in
see.
the bottom.
So see how it rests here? So on this one, it could have rest here and here, right?
Or
On the other
or
shape.
on the
Yeah.
sides.
So that's the base, the surface
Or
that
on
it rests
the
on.
top. Or and bottom.
So a prism is a solid figure with identical bases. So what are some of the defining attributes of 2D shapes? You want to turn and talk to a partner for a minute about it?
I know.
I don't
You
know.
already done
I
that
don't
like,
want to.
a lot of times.
Oh, that's okay. We can
I
do
don't
it
want
again.
to.
You go first. Do you want to?
They can be flat-ended, flat and small, flat and blue or purple.
Yeah.
And also
Also,
and
tall and plain shape. And they can also be called a plain shape.
They can
They
be
can be
called
round.
shape. Yes.
they can be like pointed. They can have 4 sides or 5 sides or 8 sides or no sides.
Yeah. Okay. So a flat shape
Or
with
no
length and width, also called a plane shape. So they can have angles, curves, vertices, sides, right? So let's try to match the attribute with the shape.
Angle sides.
Okay.
Pink goes up top.
Okay, listen. Where do we think the circle would go?
The circle will go on.
Does the circle have 3 angles?
Pink.
Does the circle have curves?
Yes, it
Yes.
does. The circle goes on yellow.
It goes on yellow.
Okay, so what about this pentagon right here, this blue one?
The blue one goes on
The sides.
How
Five
many
sides.
5 sides.
No, the purple.
The purple,
sides.
right.
The
So
purple.
what about
wrong.
this one right here? What about the hexagon?
It goes on the 6 sides.
6 sides.
It
So one,
It goes on orange.
yep, so listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? What about the square?
Four vertices.
Okay, it can have 4 vertices. It does, yes, but what about a square?
4 angle sides.
4 equal sides.
It needs to go on
And then the
the
rectangle,
Goes on 4 vertices.
4 vertices, and our triangle,
Goes on 3 sides.
3
Angles. Let's go like
3
a
angles.
Let's go like a
All right, so let's see if we're right. Ready?
How?
Were we right?
Yes.
So here's some of our shapes: circle, oval, triangle, rectangle, square, trapezoid, parallelogram, rhombus, pentagon, hexagon, octagon. Okay, so today we're going to learn to compose with 2D shapes, to make new shapes. So here's our 2D shapes, the flat shapes, also called plane shapes. So when we compose shapes, we put together 2 or more shapes to make a new shape. We call the new shape a composite shape. So today I'm going to show you to use some pattern blocks to compose some new shapes. First, can you help me name the shapes that you see on the screen? So what's the blue one?
A rhombus.
A rhombus. What's the red one?
Hexagon.
The red one? Trapezoid. Trapezoid. And a yellow one?
The yellow one.
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Green
Triangle.
one?
Square.
And the orange one's the square. Awesome. So this yellow shape is a hexagon. It has 6 sides. I'm going to help you make a hexagon using 2 red trapezoids. See the trapezoid?
Wait, you put 2 together.
We're going to put 2 together. See?
Yeah.
And you see how it looks the same?
Yeah.
It built that
A different
shape,
color.
right? Ain't that cool?
Yeah.
And even though it's a different color, it can be any
We can
color.
also use 3 rhombuses to make a hexagon.
Oh, yeah.
See that one? So then we're going to put another one and another one.
Wait,
Now
it
we
kind
have
of
a
looks like a
hexagon.
cube. It kind of looks like a cube.
So how many triangles do you think we need to create a hexagon?
4.
4.
5. 5.
Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3,
4.
Wow.
6. 7.
That-
6.
Those 3 triangles make
3.
what?
6.
What did those 3 triangles make?
6.
8. 6.
A
A trapezoid.
A trapezoid. So now we're going to do, how many more you think? So we got
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
2 trapezoids.
So 6 triangles.
It looks like a I never knew that shapes can make a trapezoid.
Yeah, so we can use shapes to compose in many different ways.
It looks like a spider.
Right? So we use 2 trapezoids, we use 3 rhombuses, and we use 6 triangles. And they're all made the same shape, right?
The blue one.
So that's cool how we can use different ways to solve the same problem, huh?
The blue one's not it. The blue one looks kind of like a curve.
Alright, so you drag the shapes to compose a rectangle. What do you think we can use to make a rectangle?
Squares? 2 squares.
A
You think 2
trapezoid.
squares?
A trapezoid. And
2 rhombuses.
a trapezoid. And
2 rhombuses.
I think 2 squares would make a rectangle, like you said. That's cool, huh?
And 2 rhombuses.
No.
Now we will make
How
a
about that?
trapezoid.
Well, what do we think about a trapezoid? Can we drag the shapes to compose a trapezoid?
We need to grab
2
that
rhombus.
one.
2 rhombus.
Yeah.
3 rhombus.
Well, let's think about, what did we just do earlier?
We made a shape.
3 triangles.
3 triangles. You think 3 triangles will make a rhombus?
Yes.
1 rhombus. A trapezoid, not a rhombus, I'm sorry.
1
They
trapezoid,
used
1
1
rhombus.
rhombus and 1 triangle.
Yeah. That was. La, la, la.
Okay, so can we drag a shape to compose a square?
Yes, 1 square. 2 triangles. No? Wait, no. 2 rhombuses. 2 rhombuses.
They used 4 squares to make 1 bigger
See?
square.
2 triangles.
Well, I don't think, if we put 2 triangles together, you think that'd form a square?
No. It would make a rhombus.
Okay, can we drag the shapes to form a triangle?
Yep. 1 triangle. 1 triangle. 1 trapezoid, too.
A rhombus and 1 triangle makes a bigger triangle.
Trapezoid. Okay.
A trapezoid and, I'm sorry, a trapezoid, you're right. A trapezoid
A
and a triangle
And
make a bigger triangle. So which set of shapes can be used to compose this composite shape?
that one.
2 triangles.
2 triangles.
Yeah, you can make 2 triangles and you just flip it over. You flip one to that side and then you flip the other one to that side.
You put 2 triangles the other way.
Were we right? Were y'all right?
Yes. Being covered.
Yes, all
The
right.
A, B,
I didn't.
So which set of shapes can be used to compose this composite shape?
we use like 3 triangles.
On this
Three
list.
triangles.
On this list, do you see 3 triangles?
A rhombus.
Square
A
and a
rhombus and a triangle.
square and a rhombus.
A square and a rhombus?
Wait,
No,
A
triangle
and a
rhombus.
rhombus.
So look, the first one we have a hexagon and a triangle. We have a trapezoid and a square, and we have a triangle and a rhombus.
Triangle and a rhombus.
You get the square and then you put the 2 triangles on the other side.
I think we're gonna use. I like Mr. Moses' answer. A triangle and a rhombus. See how the triangle is by the rhombus. See?
How do you?
Triangle and a rhombus.
That makes the rhombus. I'm good at shapes. Hexagon.
So which set of shapes can be used to compose
4 triangles.
this composite?
6 triangles.
Do you see 4 triangles on that?
No.
No. Yes.
Yes. A rhombus and 2
Okay, so which set of shapes can be used to compose this
A rhombus
composite?
and a triangle.
baby.
Yeah, and that'll make
A
what?
rhombus and a triangle.
A bigger
Two
triangle.
triangles. Oh.
A triangle.
Yeah,
and a trapezoid.
So if we broke this apart, what two shapes could it have?
Going to burn a rhombus.
A rhombus.
A rhombus and two squares.
Two squares? You think two squares for a rectangle?
Two squares.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about the square?
Two
rectangles.
rectangles. Four triangles. Four triangles.
Four
No.
triangles?
Two rectangles.
No.
Four
You have,
triangles.
you have four triangles.
Four squares.
Four squares.
Four squares.
Zero.
Okay, well, what about the circle? What two shapes do we have?
We can have a
Two ovals that have straight sides. So you can get an oval. It's like a regular oval.
Okay.
What? How
So, let's look at this this pattern block. How many trapezoids do y'all see?
How is it standing up?
Can y'all count the trapezoids?
Two.
So let's count them. We got 1, 2, 3, 4.
I tried to say four.
Yeah.
You're using
Yeah, the cards y'all been playing with? So, are there more triangles or hexagons? So let's count our triangles. How many triangles?
Two.
Three.
3. 1, 2, 3. And how many hexagons?
Two triangles.
2. So are there more triangles or hexagons?
Triangles.
Triangles.
But there's actually more rhombus.
True or false? There are 4 different types of quadrilaterals in this picture.
False.
Well, let's think about what's a quadrilateral.
There was actually more of those blue ones. It's all.
So this is our little sheet that we're going to do for composing 2D shapes. I'll turn it on. Is it? You're fine. Okay, so this is, little worksheet says, color the roll of shapes that can be used to make this composite shape. So we see this composite shape.
You just tap on the camera, it will not be blurry.
And then we're gonna color what we think can be that shape.
Do you know that shape?
No, it just messes up sometimes. What are those technical shapes? Oh, that's fine. Here, all right, so here's our shape, our composite shape, and we're gonna color which one of these we think would make that shape. Does that make sense? So here's our other shape, and we're gonna color which ones we think can make that shape. Okay? And then this one at the bottom says choose the composite shape that can be made with the 2D shape. So it gives you two shapes, and you're gonna choose which one you think can make that shape. Okay? And we have these pattern blocks. If you need them, if you think it'll help you. And then if we get finished with that, we have these patterns right here that we can try to build.
Can we play with Santa?
See, right now we're going to work on our worksheets, okay? So we'll pass them out and we'll get started.